hibiscus. Masarap siya, guys. And then, healthy siya. Nagpapababa siya ng blood pressure. Hindi, no claim, guys. Pero, nakaka-help. Hindi ako nagka-claim ng any therapeutic benefit. Okay? So, just nakaka-help siya. Ang hibiscus na pampababa ng blood pressure. May ice pa siya, guys. Kasi frozen to kanina, guys. Yan, may ice pa siya dito. So, sarap. May health benefit. Wala akong tissue. I will let Baba buy tissue, guys. 1 minute, I'll call Baba.
Hello.
Please buy tissue, Baba.
Okay, yeah, boy.
Okay, bye-bye. Ayan, guys. So, inutusan natin si Babang bumili ng tissue dahil wala na tayong tissue box. So, okay, let's go and check our chicken. Let's go, guys. Let's go back to the kitchen. Let's see our chicken adobo. What time na, guys? Kasi pupunta pa ako sa work. So, yan, Chera! Ganda, ang galing. Ang galing ng ating chicken adobo. Okay, check natin ang taste. Yan, pwede na siyang ihalo, guys. Cook na ang ating vinegar. Okay. Yan, guys. Yan. Yan, guys. Para ma-soak naman yung ibang side ng chicken. So, baligtarin nyo lang. Just flip your chicken to the other side. To side B, to side A. Okay? Of course, check na natin, guys, kung tama na yung taste. Kuha tayo ng kutsara. Kutsara and spoon. So, ito na lang, guys. Tikman natin. Okay. Let's taste. Bismillah. Tama lang, guys. Perfect. Perfect yung salt and pepper niya. Salt and pepper. Perfect. Tama lang yung salt, guys. And, yan siya. Okay. Yan ang ating chicken adobo. Okay. Kita nyo na, guys. Yan. Simmer natin konti. Then, that's it. Tapos na ang ating chicken adobo. Okay? Yan na siya, guys. Yan ang isi-serve ko, guys. Ganyan ang pag-serve ko. Ilagay ko lang siya sa table. Dahil kakain na sila mamaya. Okay? Ayun lang, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. More impromptu cooking, Arabic food with me, Arabic and Filipino dishes. So, Arabic food with Filipino twist. Okay, guys, ayan na siya. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye! Yan na, guys.